He's an old pro now.
What are you doing? Sakima! Sakima, what are you doing? Yeah, he's looking at his paw. Shay!
Shay is the smart one. He's all done.
You gonna get all the peanut butter off your nose?
Sakima.
Sakima, he's hiding his face. Are you ashamed of your peanut butter nose?
He has to figure it out for himself.
Shay's already done. He goes, I got this, man.
You like that, did you?
Sakima, where's the peanut butter nose?
Oh, he's still doing it. Look at him. He goes, do it again, do it again. I'm not going to. Oh, that looks so funny. He goes, Shy says, oh, I'll help you.
Sakima even got near the blob on her nose. Shay's already done his big blob. It's almost like it's too much work for him.
There you go. Now he's figured it out. Oh, wipe it on the carpet.
Shay, help your dad out. He does a little dumb in that department. Sakima.
Sakima, oh, Shay, right there. Hey, here, over here. Get Daddy's nose. Get Dad's nose. Here, help Dad. Sakima. Here we go, Shay. Help him.
Take a long time to get that peanut butter. You done yet?
Maybe you had to put it a little closer. Okay, here, we'll help you. Here, a little blob.
He's like, hey man, that's my peanut butter. Shay's like, I'll take it.
No.
I'll take it, man. Sakima. Yeah, peanut butter nose. Yeah, peanut butter nose.
Oh, that's cute.
You guys are such dorks.
You get it finally?
He's wiping it on his paw. He still hasn't got it off. How's that peanut butter snot of yours going, dude?